Have you ever wondered why some seniors seem to walk with steady confidence well into their 70s, while others struggle just to stand up from a chair? What if the secret to strong, healthy legs and lasting mobility didn't come from pills, fancy supplements, or intense exercise, but from something as simple as what you eat before 8 in the morning? Welcome to the Seniors Hub, where every video is made with care, compassion, and wisdom to help you live your healthiest years yet. Today we'll uncover one simple morning habit, one small food you've likely seen 1,000 times that can slow the aging of your leg muscles by nearly a decade. I want you to stay with me until the end, because what you'll learn today could completely change how you start your day and how you walk through the rest of your life. For too many older adults, weakness creeps in quietly. You might notice your legs feel heavier than usual, or you lose your balance once or twice and tell yourself it's just age. But the truth is, aging alone doesn't make you weak. Muscle loss does. And that muscle loss begins silently, long before you realize it. After 60, your body naturally begins losing muscle mass, especially in your legs, in a process known as sarcopenia. Without the right nutrition, this process accelerates rapidly. Within just 10 years, you can lose up to 1/3 of your leg muscle strength. That's not only about how far you can walk, it's about how safe, balanced, and independent you remain. But here's the incredible news. Scientists now know that this decline isn't inevitable. In fact, with one simple breakfast change, you can rebuild up to 35% of your lost strength in as little as 8 weeks. Let that sink in. Just 2 months to regain power, balance, and stability. It all starts with your first meal of the day. Think of your body when you wake up. You've been fasting for 7 to 9 hours. Your muscles are empty of energy, your circulation is slow, and your body is in what's called a catabolic state, meaning it's starting to break down your own muscle tissue to fuel itself. If you skip breakfast or just have a cup of coffee, you're unknowingly allowing that breakdown to continue. And the first muscles to suffer? Your legs, the very foundation of your independence. But when you eat the right foods within the first hour of waking, you flip that switch from breaking down to rebuilding. Your muscles stop shrinking and start repairing. Your energy rises, your balance improves, and even those painful leg cramps that keep you awake at night begin to fade. So what are the right foods for your morning meal? Let's start with one of the most powerful yet underestimated foods on the planet: whole eggs. Nature's complete protein, eggs contain every essential amino acid your body needs to rebuild muscle. But the real treasure is in the yolk, which holds vitamin D, B12, choline, and leucine, a special amino acid that directly triggers muscle protein synthesis, the process that repairs and strengthens your legs. In one study, older adults who ate 2 whole eggs every morning for 8 weeks showed remarkable improvements in their leg strength and walking stability. The key is consistency. Boil or scramble your eggs, pair them with fresh vegetables like spinach or tomatoes, and eat them within an hour of waking. You'll feel the difference within a month. Another breakfast hero is oatmeal topped with chia seeds. This warm, comforting meal provides long-lasting energy while feeding your muscles essential nutrients. Oats contain beta-glucan, a special fiber that supports healthy blood flow and reduces inflammation, vital for aging muscles. Chia seeds, on the other hand, are packed with magnesium, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which reduce cramps and improve muscle performance. Prepare a small bowl of oats, mix in a spoonful of chia seeds, and top it with banana slices or berries. It's simple, affordable, and deeply restorative for your legs. Speaking of bananas, they're another secret weapon for anyone over 60. Rich in potassium, they prevent cramps, stabilize your muscle contractions, and improve nerve communication between your brain and your legs. If you've ever woken up with that sudden stabbing leg cramp in the middle of the night, low potassium might be one reason. Eating a banana after your breakfast, not before, helps your muscles absorb nutrients efficiently. However, if you have diabetes or kidney issues, it's best to eat a smaller portion or a slightly underripe banana. Next on the list is Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is packed with double the protein and contains casein, a slow-digesting form of protein that feeds your muscles for hours. It's perfect for older adults because it helps prevent overnight muscle loss and promotes repair in the morning. A single serving gives you about 17 grams of high-quality protein, along with calcium and vitamin D for stronger bones. Choose unsweetened Greek yogurt, add a handful of blueberries or chia seeds, and you'll have a delicious, muscle-restoring start to your day. And for those who enjoy savory breakfasts, there's one more powerhouse food: salmon or other fatty fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and enhance muscle protein synthesis. Research shows that older adults who eat 2 servings of salmon or sardines per week retain up to 27% more muscle mass and experience fewer falls. A small serving of salmon with vegetables or whole grain toast twice a week can make a world of difference. But there's also one surprisingly simple and overlooked option that deserves special attention: sweet potatoes with a sprinkle of natural mineral salt. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates that replenish your muscle glycogen after your overnight fast. They don't spike your blood sugar, and they provide long, steady energy that keeps your legs strong throughout the day. They're loaded with magnesium and potassium, the very minerals your legs crave to stay stable and relaxed. And that mineral salt, specifically Celtic sea salt, adds over 80 trace elements your muscles use to contract smoothly. Eating half a warm sweet potato with a pinch of Celtic salt and a glass of warm water about 10 minutes before your main breakfast can noticeably reduce morning leg fatigue and cramps. Together, these 6 foods: whole eggs, oatmeal with chia seeds, bananas, Greek yogurt, salmon, and sweet potatoes, form a powerful foundation for leg health after 60. But what you eat is only half the story. Your morning habits are just as important in maintaining your balance, strength, and independence. The first habit is hydration. Before you even get out of bed, drink a glass of warm water with a tiny pinch of natural salt. This simple step restores electrolytes, jumpstarts circulation, and helps prevent sudden morning cramps. The second habit is movement. Just 3 minutes of gentle leg lifts or balance exercises can wake your muscles and improve coordination. Stand near a chair or wall, lift one foot 2 to 4 inches off the ground, hold for 10 seconds, then switch sides. These small actions reactivate the neuromuscular connections that keep your steps steady. The third habit is patience. Don't rush out of bed. Sit up slowly, take deep breaths, rotate your ankles and wrists gently. Many falls happen right after waking up because blood flow hasn't fully caught up with your movements. The fourth habit is sunlight. Spend at least 5 minutes each morning near a window or outside. That morning light boosts your vitamin D production, which strengthens both your muscles and your bones. Finally, don't delay your breakfast. Even if you can't eat a full meal immediately, have something small like half a boiled egg, a piece of sweet potato, or a spoonful of yogurt. This stops your body from breaking down muscle and signals your metabolism to start rebuilding instead. Let's pause for a moment and think about what all this means. Every choice you make in those first 2 hours of the day decides whether you're feeding strength or feeding weakness. You don't need gym memberships, expensive supplements, or endless routines. You simply need consistency, awareness, and care for your body's natural needs. The results can be life-changing. Take the story of David, a 69-year-old retired engineer who used to love hiking but began struggling to stand without help. His knees ached, his steps felt unsteady, and he was haunted by nightly cramps. But after learning about these morning habits and making one change, never skipping breakfast again, his life transformed. In just 3 weeks, the pain eased and his strength began to return. Within 2 months, he was walking 2 kilometers daily with renewed confidence. "I feel like I've got my legs back," he said. That's the kind of transformation that begins with something as humble as a boiled egg or a bowl of oats. And you deserve to feel that strength too. Your legs have carried you through a lifetime, through work, through love, through challenges and victories. They've been your foundation, your freedom, your independence. It's time to give back to them, to nourish them with the right care and attention. Every step you take from this day forward can be steadier, stronger, and more confident. You are not powerless against time. Your body is always listening, always ready to respond to care, no matter your age. So tomorrow morning, before you reach for your coffee, give your legs what they truly need. Choose nourishment, choose balance, Choose the simple foods that rebuild your strength from within. And remember, you're never too old to feel strong again. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone who needs a reminder that their best years can still be strong and vibrant. Comment below and tell us your favorite healthy breakfast habit or what you'll try tomorrow morning. We love hearing your stories because every one of them inspires others in the Seniors Hub community. And before you go, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Seniors Hub, and tap the notification bell so you never miss the vital health insights we share each week. Together we can grow stronger, wiser, and more independent with every sunrise. Your golden years are not a time of decline, they're a time of rediscovery. Feed your body with care, your mind with knowledge, and your mornings with purpose. Because the strength you build today will carry you confidently into every tomorrow.